I'm looking for people who want adventure in their job. Don't you landlubbers want to become me assistant? He gets to fix me nets when they break. Sure, it might not be that exciting, but the pay is good. Oh, come on, don't any of you want a good job? Who'll be that over there? That boy over there looks like a good worker, but he probably don't want to sit around all day mending nets. So I'll kidnap him, and he'll be my slave. Get in the brig. Stop right there. I know you got a slave. You're coming with me. And why can't you just let me have a slave? The government's forbidden from letting anybody have a slave. Don't you know about the 13th Amendment? Back in the Civil War, back when the Emancipation Proclamation came out, it banned slavery. But that was during the Civil War. Even though it banned slavery, Lincoln, the president at the time, feared that slaves would be forced back into being slaves after the Civil War ended. So he signed the 13th Amendment, which was actually weird at the time, because normally presidents didn't sign amendments. Well, he clearly wasn't thinking straight when he signed it. There ain't nothing wrong with slavery, and you ain't taking me in. Little slave! There's a little slave here! Little slave! Alright, let's go get him!
Let's get it!
Let's get him, man! Yeah! You can't do this to me! I ain't no slave! What about the 13th Amendment?
Oh, my slave is here. All you humans are slaves to us fish down here at the bottom of the sea. And now I need to whip you for running off. 13.